Hey everybody, let's go shopping. I'll show you how I use my Lotus Trolley Bags. I personally like to spread mine out in the cart beforehand so I can organize as I go and the food does not touch the dirty carts. I put my small produce bags in this pocket, I put my medium produce bags in this pocket, and I put my large produce bags in the big pocket, just for extra crazy organization and ease in the store. So I got my grocery list right here to keep me on track for the fastest shop ever. Let's go! Plastic free. They fit perfect in our large purple bags. Naked veggies are happy veggies. Buying loose mushrooms instead of what I used to get in these plastic packaging, I cannot believe how long they last in my fridge. These will last me weeks in this Lotus Produce Bag. Whereas when I used to buy them in the plastic, it only lasted me a few days to a week and they would start to smell funky. So this was a big win with our produce bags. We are done in the produce section. Let's see how we did. Plastic free, plastic free, plastic free, plastic free. Some naked veggies in the pockets. And one last piece of plastic. And the rest is all single-use free. I keep them cold in my insulated bag. This has a nice closed shut, so it'll stay cool for 2 to 4 hours in the trunk. At checkout, I unload my bags in order. So when the bagger gets them, they come in order, and it's very easy to just pack back up. Eggs, keep them secure. Fastest checkout ever. Let's go. This is how I unload my groceries into my trunk. Super easy to grab the rods, then it makes the weight of a very heavy bag nice and easy to lift and plop right in. Again, just grab from the rods, easy light, plop in the trunk. The cooler bag, don't forget to close it to keep your items nice and cold. And then lastly, the pantry bag. Just like that.